We're good. Yeah. Everybody's digging everywhere. Everybody's digging everywhere. I'm just being nosy. It's got fiber, you can see that there. You can see the orange on the ground. You can see the fiber spool on that truck. Should I follow him? No, he wants to turn around. He's trying to turn around. I got somebody behind me. And see, there's a cone down here. Gotta be careful. I want to go no outlet. Good, good, good. Oh, did you see the orange paint there? You see the orange paint? Oh, I got the sun in my face. Let me go down here for a moment. See the fiber spool? See the orange paint? They're bringing fiber to everybody. I'll use this end place to turn around. But it said no outlet. But this is... and maybe there's no outlet once you get down there. I like to live in the woods. Isn't this beautiful? You're technically you're a few hundred... yeah, look. You see the straw on the ground near the fire hydrant? And the box in the ground? This is fiber. See the orange? This is fiber. So this neighborhood, this place is getting theirs. So how long ago was it that they came by my house? See how long it takes to get into every street? And somebody's building a house right there in this beautiful... see, it was a wooded neighborhood, but the more houses you put in, the less the wooded it is. So the road junction is all marked up for fiber, and I'm going back because I'm not sure where the other way goes exactly. So I'm just being nosy. All right, so he dropped off the fiber spool there, just like I showed you last week. And the people are digging up. They're digging up along here. And they're putting the boxes in the ground. That's what they're doing here. And they're feeding it through, and they're figuring out where it is. Did you see the cable on the ground? So my guess is the conduit is under the ground, and they're figuring out how to put the actual fiber cable in. That's why these guys are working at spots. The rabbit hole in and the rabbit hole out. Steve A.B. just being nosy about the fiber to the curb here in Ramseur, just off of US 64. Saying see you at 73.